Let's now learn how to multiply the fractions. So here we have been given 3 into 7 by 9. Here we don't see any denominator. In case in any fraction you don't see the denominators, just put 1. So it is 3 by 1. Now in multiplication, here the denominators are different. In the case of addition and subtraction, we did LCM, but in the case of multiplication, it's very simple. You just have to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Our answer would be 3 into 7 by 1 into 9, that is 21 by 9. If you further simplify, these goes cancelled in 3 table. So 3 threes and 3 sevens. The answer would be 7 by 3. Here again it's the same. Multiply the numerators by multiply the denominators. So it is 4 into 3 by 2 into 6. That is 12 by 12. 12 ones, 12 ones. The answer is 1 here. 1 by 1 is also 1. Now, to simplify this mixed fraction as well, we'll have to convert it into improper and then multiply. So it is 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 into 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. So it is 7 into 7 by 2 into 3, that is 49 by 6. So here I would like to discuss one thing. Before going into division, we'll have to know the meaning of the term reciprocal. What is reciprocal means? It's just the inverse, like you have to write the numbers or the fractions upside down. If you have been given write the reciprocal of 2, what will be the reciprocal of 2? 2 in fraction form can be written as 2 by 1, is it? If it's 2 by 1, the reciprocal would be 1 by 2. So the reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. In case if I take the reciprocal of 49 by 6 would be 6 by 49. So it's quite simple. You just have to do the numbers upside down in the fraction. Now let's see the division part. Okay, before moving on to division, we had discussed on reciprocal because we are going to use that process here. So in division, you just have to take the reciprocal and multiply. That means write the first term as it is. Instead of division, make it multiplication. Write the reciprocal of the second term. So as discussed, what would be the reciprocal of 2? It's 1 by 2 because there is no denominator here. It's 2 by 1. The reciprocal of 2 by 1 would be 1 by 2. So the answer here would be 2 into 1 by 4 into 2. That is 2 by 8. Further simplifying, it is 1 by 4. Moving on to here, it's the same again. 3 by 6. Write the first term as it is. Make the division into multiplication. Write the reciprocal of the second term. So it is 2 by 1. So 3 into 2 by 6 into 1 is 6 by 6, that is 1. In the similar ways, you can do it for mixed fraction. Just convert into improper and then do the division. Are going to see a few more problems, comparison type problems, and some real life scenarios wherein questions are given based on fractions. We'll solve them today. Let's begin. So first question for today is ascending and descending order. To just give a reminder, ascending order is small to big. You just have to write the fractions in the order small to big, and this would be big to small. Okay. Now here the denominators are different. How would you decide if the first fraction is smaller than the second and the third, or how shall we decide? First we'll have to make the denominators common. How to do that? Take the LCM. So 2 4s, 3s and 1s, 2 2s, 6 2s, 12 2s, 24. So our LCM here is 24. Now the denominators are 24. So 8 into 3, 5 into 3, 6 into 4, 5 into 4, 1 by 2 into 12 into 12. Now the denominators are all equal to 24. So this is 15 by 24, 20 by 24 and 12 by 24. Now it is easy for us to tell which is the smallest fraction and which is the largest fraction. So if I go with small to big, it would be 12 by 24 less than 20 by, sorry, 15 by 24 and less than 20 by 24. That means in case of fractions, it would be 1 by 2 less than 5 by 8 less than 5 by 6. If I go for descending order, it would be 5 by 6 greater than 5 by 8 greater than 1 by 2. Here as well the denominators are different, so we'll have to take the LCM of 5, 3 and 10. So 5 3 is a 15, 2 is a 30. 30 is our LCM, so I'll have to make all the denominators as 30. So this would be 12 by 30 and 10 by 30 and 9 by 30. Now the smallest is 9 by 30, less than 10 by 30 and less than 12 by 30. In case of fractions, it would be 3 by 10 less than 1 by 3 less than 2 by 5. In the same sense, if we go from for the descending order, it is 2 by 5 greater than 1 by 3 greater than 3 by 10. So this was our way of comparison for any two numbers to compare. If the denominators are different, just do the LCM and then decide if it is greater than, smaller than or equal to. So in this question, we have a scenario wherein Narendra painted 2 by 3 area of a wall and his brother painted 1 by 3 area of a wall. So our question is, how much did they paint together? So 2 by 3 was from Narendra and 1 by 3 was from his brother Ritesh. So since the denominators are same, I can go directly with adding the numerators. So it is 3 by 3, which is equals to 1. As the answer is 1, we can tell that both of them painted the whole wall of that room. Yep. So our next problem says Neha was given 5 by 7 of a basket of bananas. So a basket, that means one basket. What fraction of bananas was left in the basket? So we'll have to find the remaining one basket. She had covered 5 by 7 part of that basket, but we'll have to find what's the remaining. That means what is added to 5 by 7, which would give the bananas in the whole basket. So I'll just have to do 1 minus 5 by 7 LCM, 1 by 1 and 7. 1 and 7 LCM is 7. So 1 into 7 by 1 into 1 minus into 1 into 1. This is 7 minus 5 by 7, that is 2 by 7. The remaining part was 2 by 7. Okay, in the next problem, the scenario is a piece of rod 7 by 8 meters long is divided into two pieces. And one piece was 1 by 4. What is the rest? That means the total value is 7 by 8. One piece is 1 by 4. What is the remaining? We just have to subtract these two terms. As the denominators are different, again we'll have to do the LCM for the denominators, which is 8 here. So 7 by 8 into 1 into 1 minus 1 by 4 into 2 into 2. So this is 7 minus 2 by 8. Answer is 5 by 8. This was the remaining part. So last but not the least scenario, here we have been given that Renu takes 1/5 minutes to walk around the school ground and Snigdha takes 7/4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by what fraction? That means there is no addition subtraction. We just have to compare the timings that they have taken to move around the school ground. So it is 1/5 for Renu and 7/4 minutes for Snigdha. First, let us convert into improper fractions. So this would become 10 plus 1, 11/5 and 7/4. Since the denominators are different, we cannot tell it here directly. Let's make them equal by doing the LCM, which is 20 here. So it would be 5 into 4 into 4 and 7, 4 into 5 into 5. So this is 44/20 and this is 35/20. We could see that 35/20, which belongs to Snigdha, took less time than the time taken by Renu. So, and we have also given that who takes less time and by what fraction. So Snigdha takes less time, but by what fraction? We just have to subtract the terms here. So it is 44 minus 35, 9/20 is the fraction difference between them. Yep. So with this, we have come to an end to the fraction series. In case you still have doubts, queries, questions to ask on fractions, please do ping me in the comment section and let me know. I'll try making a video on them. And just a note, thank you for all your support, and do share, like, subscribe our channel, share it with your younger ones who need help in maths so that their maths becomes easier too. Meet you sometime in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep enjoying. Tata, bye bye.